Down Old M78 is the Van Atta Nursery, home to flowers for anniversaries, birthdays, and of course, Valentine's Day. If you look behind the shop, however, you'll find a field of tall, brown, teeming stalks that the flower shop refuses to sell. Visitors of the nursery sometimes ask about buying these tall reed-like plants, when in fact one group is telling them to do quite the opposite.
I was trying to convince people today that nice people actually do go out and use herbicide on bad plants.
Leslie Kuhn is a coordinator for the Mid-Michigan Stewardship Initiative, and she says the reed-like plant is actually an invasive species to Michigan.
Phragmites australis is a wetland plant that got imported from Europe, initially actually to do erosion control in ditches, and the problem is it just does much too good a job of that.
Phragmites is such a threat to local plants that Kuhn and her associates held a workshop on February 4th for locals wanting to help prevent its spread.
Phragmites is actually worse than most because its roots actually emit a substance that inhibits the growth of native and surrounding plants, and so it establishes a colony and just spreads and spreads and spreads.
During the workshop, Kuhn stressed that simply mowing the plants away will actually spread its seeds more, and that there are ways to exterminate the plant without using environmentally harmful chemicals.
Specially approved aquatic glyphosate herbicides that you can use that are safe in the wetlands, but you do need DEQ permitting, and we can help with that kind of issue for people. But then you just spray this herbicide on the leaves of the plant of Phragmites, and it's absorbed by them. And the nice thing is that the herbicide we use, which is aquatic glyphosate, is actually inactivated by soil particles, so it doesn't hang around in the environment to kill other things.
In Meridian Township, Zachary Pena, Home TV.